I'm Derek Johnson with Tatango.com, and I'm answering the question, how do SMS software providers deal with ported phone numbers? So first off, what is a ported phone number? Essentially, it's when I have a phone number, let's say on AT&T, and I want to port that phone number over to T-Mobile. So I want to use my same phone number that I had on AT&T, but I want to now use it on T-Mobile. That's what we call a ported phone number. So an SMS provider, how do we deal with that? So when we send text messages to, let's say, this phone number on AT&T, we get a delivery receipt. And that delivery receipt comes from AT&T and says, hey, thanks for the message, we've received it. Also, it can say, hey, thanks for the message, but that phone number no longer exists at AT&T. In that case, the SMS provider has to then do a carrier lookup. A carrier lookup then pings a special company that will tell us what phone number the carrier is now using. So I was on AT&T. I opted into an SMS campaign. I've been receiving messages. The SMS provider has been sending the messages to me on AT&T. Then I switched to T-Mobile. The next message the SMS provider sends me, it's going to send back an error message to the SMS provider. It's going to say, sorry, that phone number no longer exists on AT&T. Unfortunately, it doesn't also tell us where it sits now. So we have to make an API call to a company or provider that will give us that new information. So we make that API call, then the company will tell us, hey, that phone number is now on T-Mobile. We then, in the SMS software, will change the carrier for that specific phone number to T-Mobile. And then now in the future, those messages will go to T-Mobile instead of AT&T. So that's the question, that's the answer actually to the question, how do SMS providers deal with ported phone numbers?